Won't you come in and we can begin to get to know each other. We don't have to rush, we can take it slow. Through your eyes